Hey everyone, I just wanted to get on here real quick and update you on a trade that I'm currently in right now. And it was so nice after making the video this morning, when I was saying, sometimes we got to look at the 2 minute time frame instead of the 1 minute time frame and be really patient on trades when they come our way. And it was really cool. I was looking here at gold and I noticed right here, I'll show you guys the exact kind of reasoning behind this. I saw the background color switch over, but I wasn't next to my computer to be able to do so. I wasn't able to do anything. Saw the pullback into the 50 here. And then right when we ended up breaking above this area and we had green solid on top, that is where I end up entering. So entry was right here. So that was when we had that strong push above, and I'm currently still in this trade right now. Now this can fluctuate up and down all over the place, but we've moved our stop loss just above break even. So no matter what happens right now, we're guaranteed something on this trade, right? So my take profit is going to be over here. I have the take profit at the top where this is a resistance level looking left. But I don't want to just get out of a trade just to get out of it if all my metrics are still in line to the upside, right? So background is gray. Technically speaking, if I was on here earlier, this would have been a really good trade right here. You guys see how when this turned gray, this was the first candle that came above this 50 and we're green on top of red. This could have been the entry and would have currently been up about 40 points, which is massive, which is really good on gold, on GC. Right now myself, I'm only up about, I was up more, about 20. So really not too bad still. I'm not upset about it at all. This does look like it might want to be coming down the other direction. But until my metrics switch over and I get that black background, I don't necessarily want to be doing anything. I just want to be staying with this trend overall. Because when you're green like this, and you've got that brighter color on the top and the gray or the darker color on the bottom, a lot of times this can just be the spot where we see a bounce and it pushes straight back up. You guys see all over here, we came back in, that was a bounce, and we continue down. We come down, we bounce up, down, bounce up. It's only until you actually get that background switching over more is where I would look to be going and actually closing out of that trade. Now, something else I'm looking out here for is you guys see on the bottom dashboard how this red is on top of green. Well, this is another indication that we could actually see it cross. And right now, it looks like this candle, if this closes in the next 30 seconds or so, may have to be the candle that I exit out on this. So let's see. In about 24 seconds, this might be the candle that I have to close this out. And no, I'm not going to make as much profit as I wanted to on here, but I'm going to have my stop loss take me out, and I want this to be a successful trade. We got 11 seconds left, 10 seconds left, and let's see what happens. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Black background that is closed out. I'm going to go ahead and exit this trade. I'm going to close it. That is a $580 trade. Background is switched over. I'm going to now sell the market right now. I'm going to go ahead and get in, and let's have this run as well. A lot of times what we can do is when you're overall in these trends, the spot that it likes to hit first or test is the 50. So why not? Let's move this right here. Let's just move our TP to the area that it likes to bounce the most. And then what we'll end up doing here in a second is moving our stop loss to break even in +1. So you guys see that? Now we're coming back down. This looks like it wants to move even further. So I'm going to move this, put this to BE +1, which is really nice. And if we get any more of a further push, there's another $300. We could just see this keep going and going. Of course, we don't want to get greedy though. I'll go ahead and trail this here in a moment. But I want to do these things live for you. I love recording these videos. See how this is a strong candle right here? Strong bearish candle. This is solid red and solid red. That means these are solid bodies to the downside. Because I'm going to move this down here a little bit. I don't want to get stopped out of this though either. Let's go and target this area. Let's go and target right here. Let's see if we can get that close to that white line. If we end up breaking through this white line though, we could see a push even further and further. That's about 300 right there. Let's move this down. Let's go to BE20. Let's see how far that takes us. Oh, we can actually go down a little further. Let's go BE40. Let's get that to stop us out potentially. Might get stopped out on the break even 40 here. for about $200. There we go. We got stopped out for 200. Currently up about 700 on that count. Still bearish. Still very strong bearish movements. I'm going to go ahead and sell back into this. The moment we get the opportunity to go to BE plus 1, I'm going to go ahead and do so. I'm going to go and move that to break even, and we're going to run with it now. We're going to run down. There's another 200. Let's go to break even 20. Let's make sure we secure that profit in. And if we can push a little bit further, come on. I want to see this dump below this 50 here. Would be really nice. So we're guaranteed money on this trade. There we go. We're guaranteed 40. If this stops us out, that'll be okay. Oop, looks like it's taking a little bit out. Took out a couple contracts. We got 3 more playing with us right now. There we go. Looks like we might actually end up $1,000 on today on these accounts. There's that 50. That 50 line's really strong. You guys know how that works. Let's go to BE plus 60. We are now break even. We're moving down. We're letting the market do its thing. As the market trails, let's go ahead and trail our stop. There we go. Another big push. Really good. I'm going to move with this. I'm just going to keep going. If we get stopped out, about $300. Boom. There you go, guys. That's about just over $1,000 profit on each of these accounts. Live trading done right in front of you. Taking that long position, that worked out really well. And then flipping over. Remember, when the background color changes to that black and you start seeing these bands switching over red on top of green, that's your indication to go short. When you go short, just keep an eye out for that 50 right here. This is a great indication that you can see this bounce and hit, or like a magnet coming back down to it. So hopefully you guys found a lot of education in this. Guys, I will let you know, all these metrics are available. All these are lifetime access. I always do free upgrades for this. And I'll let you know that every Wednesday, I actually do a free call. And also, if you guys invest into yourself, I want to invest back into you. And what I mean by that is if you go over to Take Profit Trader and you use the promo code MyFutureSuccess and you grab any combination of 5 accounts with them, shoot me a screenshot and I will get you on to our live trading environment with Ron every Tuesday and Thursday, literally for just 99 cents for the first month. And then in addition, I'm going to add you to the private Zoom calls on Wednesdays from 7 to 8 a.m. You know, I want you to see the success that not only I'm having, the way that I trade, the way that you just saw me trade here using these metrics, but in a day, these are some daily profits of people that are taking out some really good gains. Just really incredible to see. But you guys saw it live here first. This is the new Wave Runner version that is out and basically available right now. You guys see, that was a perfect opportunity going down. Here are the live accounts over here, just so you guys can see that. Just over $1,078 on these accounts. Take a look at this. Black, bearish, gray, long, black, bearish, black, bearish. Can't get any simpler than that. Take care, you guys. God bless.